So our next topic is shading. So let us read out this paragraph. We sometimes color the background of a text in order to highlight it better. Of course, we have the text highlighted tool as well, but it just highlights the text and does not color the background. Let us read out these points. Select the text which you have to shade. Click on shading tool in the paragraph group of the home tab. Select the color you wish to use by clicking on any of the colors in the drop down menu. So now let us understand this shading topic with the help of this diagram. So you can see in this particular diagram, we have first selected the text, whatever we have written. After selecting the text, we have to click on this shading option present on home menu bar, and you have to select the color whichever we wanted. So now let us see this particular topic with the help of live example. See, so this is your shading topic. Let me select it and we'll open MS Word, WORD. See, after opening MS Word, we have typed some particular or you can type anything in this. This is just for your reference, or you can say this is just for example. So after typing, and what we have to do, we have to select the whole paragraph. After selecting the whole paragraph, you have to click on home menu bar option. After clicking on home menu bar option, you can see here, after clicking on home menu bar option, there is an option of shading. Let me zoom it. See, there is an option of shading here on the on the home menu bar option. On the under paragraph section, there is an option of shading. So what we have to do, you have to click on this particular option. After clicking on this particular option, you will get different types of colors. So whichever the color you're feeling to apply, you can select it. See, purple, blue, green, yellow, red, or any other color which you are willing to apply, you can apply from here. See this particular color, or they can say the purple color has been applied on the, or it can be told that this color has been applied on the text, or you can say the shading has been applied on this particular selected text. In this way, you can shade any text which you have typed or which you have copy and pasted on MS Word. Hope you have understood this. We'll go to the next topic, and the next topic is about, our next topic is about inserting word art. So now we will see how we are going to insert word art in MS Word. So let us read out this whole paragraph first. Inserting word art. Word art gives you different options to create special text effects in your documents. First point, on the Insert tab under the text group, click on word art. A window with text written in decorative style pops up. Select any one and a text box with that decorative font will appear on the work area. Type your decorated letters in the box. So now let us understand this inserting word art topic with the help of these two diagrams. As you can see in the first diagram, we have to click on insert menu bar option. After clicking on insert menu bar option, you'll get this word art option. You have to click on this word art option. After clicking on this word art option, this particular menu will be open. That means you can select any type of word art from this particular option. After selecting, suppose I have selected this one, the yellow part. After selecting, you have to, after selecting this, you can see in this second picture, this edit word art text option is opened. On this particular option, this text will be predefined. You have to remove this with the help of backspace, or you can say we have to erase this text with the help of backspace. After erasing, you can write anything. Even you can write your name, class, and section. Likewise, in this particular box only, you can apply bold, you can apply italic, you can increase or decrease the size of the text, or you can also apply different types of font style with the help of this particular option. So now let us understand this topic with the help of live demo. See, this is the text which what we have written. Now what we have to do, see, now we have to apply word art. So for applying word art, let me zoom it and show you all. See, we have to click on insert menu bar option. You can see here. Let me click on insert menu bar option. See, after clicking insert menu bar option, on this option you will get this option of word art. You can see here, you will get the option of word art. So I have to click on this word art option. Now you can see here, you have got different types of designs of word art. So whichever design or whichever the format you are willing to take, you can select it from here. See, I am selecting this one. After selecting, you have got the another window, pop-up window. You can say that the pop-up window is about edit word art text. So you can remove this text with the help of backspace, and you can write your name or anything. Suppose I'm writing Ram, and he's studying in class 4th and section A. Section A. Okay, after writing this, let me make it capital R. Okay, the name of the student is Ram and class is 4, section is A. After writing this, you can apply bold or you can apply italics, and you can increase the size also. See, I'm taking it to 44, and you can select different types of font style from here. See, after doing all the changes, that's what we have to do. You have to just click on OK button. See, now the word art design which we have selected, that particular text, that Ram class 4th A, is been changed into that particular format. So in this way you can apply word art in your MS Word document.